Next one is they have asked, so in this circuit diagram 8.45 in the calculate the value of X if equivalent resistance between the point A and B is 4. That means total resistance they have given, that is 4 ohm. So it is 4 ohm is given. Total resistance given, 12th numerical. Let me draw the diagram. 1, 2. Now this will be 4 ohm, this is 8 ohm, this is X, and this is 5 ohm, and total resistance will be R total will be 4 ohm. 4 ohm is given. So these two are in series. So R series is equal to 4 plus 8, and R series 1 and R series 2 is equal to X plus 5. So this will become 12 and this will become X plus 5 only. Now they both are in parallel. They both are parallel. So now our final answer will be 1 upon R parallel. 1 upon R parallel is equal to total resistance is given. They have given total resistance. So 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon X plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 4. So now take the LCM and find out. So 12 into X plus 5, it will become X plus 5 plus 12 is equal to 1 upon 4. Now cross multiply and you will get the answer. So next one we are having 13 is there. So 13 is little bit, you have to separate it. As I told you, you have to separate the wires from there. Okay, so like that you have to separate it. So this same way in the bottom portion also. Now see, all are 1 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is also 1 ohm. 1 ohm. This is also 1 ohm, and bottom are 2 ohm. This is 1 ohm. Now how to separate it? This wire is dividing from this portion and this portion, downward and this one. You have to separate one part to the up one and this one to the down one. Okay, so it will become, so listen, this will become like that only. This is in series 1, 2 and 1. Yeah, so this is 1 ohm, this is 2 ohm, and this is 1 ohm, and this we have to separate it when all three are comes in series. All three will come in series. Now this is 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1 ohm. And again downward portion, this also comes in series. This also will be, comes in series. So 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and this also 2 ohm. Now easy. So this is R series 1, R series 2, R series 3. So what is the R series? The sum of the R series 1 plus 1 plus 1, it becomes 3. So R series 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Then R series 3, 2 plus 2 plus 2, it becomes 6 ohm. Now all three are in parallel. So our final answer will be R parallel is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 6. Take the LCM. LCM will be 12. Now it comes 4 plus 3 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 upon 12. Now R parallel is equal to 12 upon 9. So R parallel is equal to 3. Yeah. Or we can solve like that also. Combination of this one also will be like that only. So it becomes here we can do like that only. This 3 becomes in series, this also in series, and in center only 1 ohm is there. This can split. First you find out the resistance of this portion. So here is 2 only. So here we can write 2 only. So 1 upon 2. Now it will becomes, so LCM will be 6. So here comes 2 plus 3 plus 1. So now 6 upon 6 will be 1 ohm. Now see, this is 1 and this is 1. So what is the total resistance of this portion? Will be 1 ohm. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1. So total series is equal to R total is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will become 3 ohm. Firstly, we have to find the resistance of this portion. Okay, so this portion, and in this portion only 2 is there. So that's why I wrote 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6, LCM, so we will get 1 ohm. So portion, this portion resistance is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it becomes 3 ohm. Now, so this type of numericals you will get in the ICSE as well as in the terminal exam. Now next I am going to solve this same way. 14th also, resistance of 27 is divided into 3 parts. That is 27 divided by 3, it comes 9 ohm. 1 will be 9 ohm. Then they joined in parallel. So 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 9. Then solve it parallel. Then you will get the answer. Now same way 16th portion is also there. 16th one is there. Sixteenth is also same way. 12, 6, 4, 2 and 5. First you have to find the resistance of this portion. So these all 3 are in parallel. So give the name. This is R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Anyway you can give the name. So firstly we are going to find the R parallel. So 1 upon 12, 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. So 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 4. So 12 will be the LCM. So now 1 plus 2 plus 3. It becomes 6 upon 12. So R parallel is equal to 12 upon 6. It becomes 2 ohm. Now R1 plus R parallel. So R total resistance will be R1 plus R parallel plus R5. So what is R1? 2 ohm. What is R parallel comes? 2 ohm plus R5, that is we are having a 5 ohm. Then what will be the total resistance? It will be 5 plus 2 plus 2. It comes 9 ohm. So like that we can split the diagram. Now next one is we are numericals. Next numericals we are having, that is 17th numericals. 17th numerical is, the diagram is like that. This will be 3 ohm. This is 2 ohm. This is 30 ohm. This is 6 ohm. And this will be 4 ohm. Now we have to find the equivalent resistance between A and B. This is A and B. So as I told you, you have to split it from these two portions. Then when we split it to portion, then this two will become in series, and this also two becomes in series. So give the name R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. So R series, firstly R1 and R2 and R series 1 and R series 2, that is 6 ohm, R4 and plus R5. So what is R1? 3 ohm plus R2, that is 2 ohm, so it becomes 5 ohm, and R4 is 6 ohm plus R5 is 4 ohm, so it becomes 10 ohm. Now this one is parallel to these two, so 1 upon R parallel becomes 1 upon R set 1 plus 1 upon R set 2 plus 1 upon R3, so 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 10. Now take the LCM. 30 will be our LCM. Now 6 plus 1 plus 3, so it becomes 10 upon 3, 30. Now R parallel is equal to 30 upon 10, it will become 3 ohm is our answer. Now same way 19 you can separate it from the P portion, P and Q, 3 and 3 will be in series, then down one in the between 3 1 becomes parallel, so 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 3, so you will have a 6 as a LCM, then take a R parallel, then R1 plus R4 will be your final answer. Then 20th one, we are going to solve the 20th one. 20th numericals we are having two resistors of 2 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in series and parallel with the battery 6 volt and negligible internal resistance is not there. Then draw a circuit diagram and calculate the current through in battery in each. Then we are having R1 plus R2. R1 plus R1 we are having a 2 ohm, R2 we are having a 3 ohm, then R total resistance is equal to 2 become 3, 2 plus 3 it becomes 5 ohm. Then E that is volt is we are having a potential difference, we are having a 6 volt. Now I according to current I is equal to E upon R or V upon R, that is 6 upon 5 it becomes 1 upon 2 ohm. Then total they are in parallel. Now in R parallel, this is R series. Now R parallel will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. These two are in, firstly they have joined in series. Now second time they have joined in parallel. Now when they are joined in parallel, so it becomes 3 plus 2 5 upon 6. Now R parallel 1 upon R parallel will be 6 upon 5. So same battery they are going to join. So according to the formula I is equal to E upon R or V upon R. So now 6 upon it becomes 6 upon 5. So goes up. So we will have a 5 ampere. This is the 20th answer. So students, same way we can find out the others also. 22 is also there. Two resistor of resistance 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. When they are connected in parallel, first we have to find out the its resistance, that is it will become 5 upon 12. Then R parallel will be 12 upon 5. Then V is equal to IR. We have to find out the current. So current formula according to the Ohm's law. According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR or I is equal to V upon R. So this I am explaining the 22nd one. Firstly, when we find out they are in parallel, so when they are in parallel, so R parallel we will get 1 upon R parallel. After taking the LCM, we will get 5 upon 12. So R parallel will be 12 upon 5. So we need to find the current. I is equal to V upon R. V is equal to IR or R is given. So R is given over here. I is also given. I is given, that is 0.5. So we need to find the total potential difference, that is I into R. 0.5 multiplied by 12 upon 5. So after solving you will get 1.2 volt. So these are the numericals. So students, all the numericals are like that only. So it is simple numerical the ICSE has asked. So not more than not more than 4 registers we can join, and simple numerical they have asked, and especially the example numerical you have to solve it on your notebook, as well as these numerical up to 22nd numericals you have to solve it, 24 numericals you have to solve it on your notebooks. And if you have any doubt in the comment section, you must ask to me about your doubts. And thank you. And these numericals are very important.